Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Lord, increase me in knowledge. Okay, dear students, my name is Aksa Faisal and I am your science teacher. We are going to start the new unit, which is unit number 7. And the name of this unit is Force and Machines. We are going to read out this unit first. Okay, my dear students, we are going to read out this unit first and I will give you a little bit of orientation about what the force is. So, any ability to do some sort of work is basically generated by the force. What are the forces? Forces are pushes or pulls which can change the speed, direction, or shape of any object. Force can even stop a moving object. Not all forces cause changes in movement. We need to exert a force to perform a job. Some jobs need more force and some need less. If you push a swing gently, for example, it will not move as much as if you push it harder with more force. The greater the force is, the greater the change in distance covered by an object. So these are interlinked processes which we will read next in the next topic. Okay, our next topic is speed. What is speed? Speed is how fast something is moving, some object is moving. Things move at different speeds. To work out how fast something is moving, you need to know the distance it has moved and the time it has taken. So here we are given an example in the book that a car traveling at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour will travel a distance of 100 kilometers in 1 hour if it stays at this speed. So here is given a formula through which you can assess the speed and the traveled distance in a specific or a required time. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक कार है वो ट्रेवल कर रही है 100 की स्पीड पे वो 100 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर कवर करती है अगर वो उस स्पीड को मेंटेन रखती है इसी तरह से अगर आप किसी भी स्पीड को मेंटेन रखते हो किसी भी रिक्वायर्ड गिवन टाइम में तो आप एक स्पेसिफिक डिस्टेंस जो कि डिजायर्ड डिस्टेंस होता है फासला होता है वो तय कर सकते हो और इसके अलावा अगर आप के पास एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ स्पीड है और आप ये देखना चाहते हो कि उसने कितना ट्रेवल किया कितना डिस्टेंस उसने तय कर लिया तो आप टाइम और स्पीड को कैलकुलेट करके ये डिस्टेंस जो है वो मतलब आप असेस कर सकते हो कि वो कितना डिस्टेंस उसने एक स्पेसिफिक स्पीड को मेंटेन रखते हुए एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम में कितना डिस्टेंस जो है वो तय किया होगा किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट में then forces can change the shape of objects. It's a topic on page number 82. It's the next topic after speed. So it's a very simple and easy topic that forces can also change the shape of an object. If you stretch a rubber band, what do you see? The rubber band becomes longer. It expands. This is because you are exerting force on the rubber band. You are stretching it. But when you squeeze it, what happens? It obviously it uh, becomes shorter, it becomes smaller. So dear students, that was all about today's reading. We have done with the reading on page number 81 and 82. So this is the first question, which is what is force, included in your recall questions. You need to note down this question on your notebooks, and then you will have to learn it as it is. And that's only about today's lecture. Since we have done today's lecture, now you need to read out page number 81 and 82 carefully and do note down question number 1 in your notebooks and then learn the answer of this question. And that's all about today's lecture. Take care, stay home and stay safe, dear students. Allah Hafiz.